My presser foot lifter does not lift or lower the presser foot. It is very loose and doesn't seem to work. This is about a Singer sewing machine, model 9005.
Time to replace it, I guess. It is available in 2 versions from the following company link: http://www.sewingpartsonline.com/Singer9005 sewing machine parts. Asks, would you now kindly rate the information given by selecting from the star rating system at the top of the page. Once done, all further questions are free of charge. Thank you for using JA and have a great day, Ian.
Do I have to buy the whole mechanism? The presser foot lifter and the presser foot? And if so, can I get instructions on how to install it?
One is multi-speed, the other is single speed only. Both come with full fitting instructions.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.